Hello everyone, Leaners here. Okay, let's get right to this. LLG, all the way from New York. Okay. All right, you guys, I know this is the 5th tiger that I've bought. The 5th one. And I like that they send you a cute little tag so you can keep track. And now, these plants came, I think 3,000 miles, I don't know, what is it, from the East Coast, New York, to the West Coast. So, I have bought 5 tigers now. Here is number 5. This was number 3. And obviously, no blue flowers. They're red. Looks more like Moulin Rouge or something. And I think number 4, which I bought as a leaf pot, and I don't remember the grower, but that is tiger. And I'm going to have to turn the air conditioning back on because it is heating up in here fast. Whew. Well, maybe I can just get the ceiling fan going. There we go. Get some airflow here. Okay, so it looks promising. Cute little thing. Alrighty. Oh, nice hair. Look at this. Nice, healthy plant. Beautifully packed. Okay. Pull out another one. Oh, and let's put his little tag in there. This is Geyser of Color. For the last shipment I got, the plants were just huge. I mean, I couldn't even fit them in a small pot. I had to put them in a larger pot. They were so big. Okay. All right. I love this printer paper. They probably got an old printer that they don't use anymore, and lots of printer paper. So, oh, look at that. Ooh, red reverse. This plant, I looked at this one online. It is really gorgeous. Geyser of Color. Okay, let's get this stuff out. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to tackle that in a minute. Okay, so there's Geyser of Color. I'm going to have to chop this stuff up. You know, like give it a haircut. Okay, there we go. Oh, beautiful. And next I have Hearts Aglow. Let me show you this. It's got like a white eye inside the red. Now, if some of these seem a little tackled, I gotta tell you, like I said, this thing just traveled 3,000 miles. One broken leaf. I will set that. I don't think I've gotten a shipment after buying over 110 plants that I didn't have at least one broken leaf, except maybe Dew Violet in Seattle, but in all fairness, it only had to come from Seattle. You know, when they're getting bounced across the country. Oh. Wow. I was so hoping I would get this whole shipment, because this is my last shipment for the year. Okay. There is Hearts Aglow. So, Tiger's a large. Geyser of Color, well, a large standard. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this box. And we have Austin's Love. I get so excited when these bloom for the first time, too. I've had quite a few blooming this week that I ordered a month ago. I just get really excited when they start their first flowers. But you know, these plants just keep changing. Okay, no flowers on this one. But that is okay, because then that leaves a surprise for me later. Okay, let's see if I get the scissors around this without cutting leaves off. Sometimes you want them packed good, especially if it's coming all the way across the country, but getting the packing off sometimes can be a challenge. Oh, it is lifting right out of there, which isn't the end of the world, because I'm going to tell you, within about 15-20 minutes, all four of these are going to be real close to bare rooted and moved into new pots. I don't leave anything in its original pot or soil. They all come apart, and my watering is different than other people's watering. I'm kind of an oddball out, and I want to make sure that I have it in my soil. So, there it is. This has a gorgeous double large lavender flower with a thicker white edge, not so skinny as a Geneva edge, but an actual wider white edge, and it's really frilly. Well, there it is, people. Oh, what a mess. Oh, and let's give Austin's Love Hearts Aglow, Geyser of Color, Tyga, King of the Violets, and Austin's Love. And you will see these as they grow up and how they bloom. Thank you all, and have a lovely day.